Hey Matt, it's Jim. What we're going to do is we're going to update the picture and the text for a publication. The way you want to do that is to go into the back end of the site. And first thing you do is go to this page, and that is indianachamber.com/administrator. When you type that in, you're going to get into this user interface right here. Hopefully, you already have a login. If you don't, let me know and I can make one for you. Um, you're going to log in as yourself, hit login, and this gets you into the back end of the website. The way we find the products section is we go into components and then go to Virtue Mart. This is the whole shopping cart setup application plugin that we use for the Chamber site. And the way you get to the products is simply click on the product list here. You're going to have a ton of products when we get in here, so what we want to do is search for search for the publication that we're getting ready to edit. And I believe it's Safety and Health is the first little bit of that publication. So I'm going to go ahead and search for that. Oh, didn't find it there. Let's just type in safety so we can get a little bit more results there. Okay, so right here is the page we're looking to edit. And we'll go ahead and click on that, and then that brings up the edit page for the product. In order to update the title, so in order to update this section right here, we're going to need to update this name right here. So instead of 6th edition, we want to change it to 7th. And I'm going to hit apply. And once that updates, if I go over here and hit refresh, it should change the name of the publication there. And there it is, 7th edition. Okay, so that's how you update the title. In order to update the text, there's a big block of text right down here. Your instructions told me to combine these two paragraphs, and so this works just like a text editor. A lot of times, sometimes it doesn't work like a text editor, and you have to get into the code. I'll show you that in a second. Hold on, let me look at your note here. New topics. What topics were updated in the new edition? I'm just going to take that whole section and copy it and jump back over. And you want this section replaced right here. So I'm just going to select it, and then I'm going to hit paste, and it's going to actually bring up this type of editor. It's going to paste it in. It's not going to look too pretty, but what we can do is we can go in and we can tweak it. So I'm just going to make a bullet point there. Actually hit enter and make a bullet point here. And like I said, this works a lot like a text editor. And so I'm just going to do this real fast here. And I'm just making real bullet points instead of those little dashes just to make it look a little nicer. You can go in, you can do anything you want to in this editor here. And like I said, most of the time it works all right. Sometimes it ends up with a little bit of, it creates a little bit more work than it should, but for the most part it's pretty good. Okay, so we have that set and the text is set. I'm going to go ahead and hit apply here, and then jump over to the page, and you can see right here, this is the section we just combined text for. If I hit refresh, it should update the text there as well. So yes, it updated it there, and then also changed what's updated in the new edition. Actually, I messed up there. Hold on one sec. So I'm going to go back into that page, hit enter and get rid of that little dash, hit apply, and we should be good to go. That's all.